Hello, design furniture family. Today, we're transforming wood furniture with the art of decoupage. This simple yet creative technique will add a personal touch to any piece. Let's get started with 5 easy steps. Materials needed. First, gather your materials. Wooden furniture piece. Sandpaper, medium and fine grit. Primer and paint, optional. Decoupage paper or napkins. Scissors. Mod Podge or decoupage glue. Soft bristle brush or sponge brush. Clear sealer or varnish. Clean cloth. Step 1. Prepare the surface. Start by cleaning the furniture to remove any dust and dirt. Lightly sand the surface with medium grit sandpaper to create a smooth base. If your furniture has a glossy finish, sanding will help the glue adhere better. Step 2. Cut out designs. Choose your decoupage paper or napkins and carefully cut out the designs you want to use. You can layer different pieces for a unique effect. Step 3. Arrange and apply designs. Lay out your cutouts on the furniture to see how they look. Once satisfied, apply a thin layer of Mod Podge or decoupage glue to the back of each cutout and press them onto the furniture. Smooth out any wrinkles or air bubbles with your fingers or a soft cloth. Step 4. Seal the design. After all the cutouts are applied and the glue has dried, brush a layer of Mod Podge or decoupage glue over the entire surface to seal the paper and protect it from wear. Let it dry completely. Step 5. Apply a clear sealer. Apply a clear sealer or varnish. For a professional finish, apply a clear sealer or varnish over the decoupaged area. This adds extra protection and gives a polished look. Follow the manufacturer's instructions and allow it to dry completely. Final touches. And there you have it, a stunning piece of decoupaged furniture that adds a unique touch to your home. Thank you for joining us on this creative journey. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more DIY tips and furniture makeover ideas from Design Furniture. Until next time, happy crafting!